Rico, and today I'm going to show you some of the Angry Birds, some of their powers, and what they look like. So the first Angry Bird is going to be the Bomb Bird, but this Bomb Bird is he kind of looks like a monster, or Frankenstein, but that's what I think he looks like. And what he can do is if you tap the screen on the game, then he'll blow up, and then, well, they'll kill lots of the pigs. And the next one is the White Bird. The White Bird, if we tap the screen, then a white egg will bounce and it will destroy lots of the bricks, the metal, and the wood. And then we have the Boomerang Bird, which is also the green bird. If you tap the screen, then he'll go just like a boomerang, and then he might hit the pigs, or he might hit the metal, the wood, or the glass, or it could just fly over them. And then we have this bird, which is the blue. There's supposed to be 3, but I don't have them. But in the game, they don't have this Christmas hat. I just got it. But what they can do is, if you tap the screen, 2 more come, and then it makes 3. And usually they're good at breaking the glass. And then we have this bird, but this bird was supposed to probably be like this big, but I don't know why the people made him this small. But what he's supposed to do is if we tap the screen, he makes a bigger damage than he usually would. But most people might think that he doesn't do anything, just like the regular bird. And then we have the Bomb Bird, which instead it's a little bigger and it doesn't have stitches and things in his ears like this one. So he's a regular one. So just like I said, everything is the same about this bird. And then we have the Yellow Bird, and he can go fast, and then he'll kill, and he can break a lot of wood. And then the Red Bird, if you tap the screen, all he does is make noise. And I don't know if he turns a little bit stronger, but I don't think so. And then we have this little bird. His name I think is Bubbles, but he's supposed to be like this tiny. But actually, if you tap the screen, something big will happen. He'll turn into this. It's a really big thing. And when you see him, then you might think that he's pretty cool. But when he blows up, he makes a little noise like this. And then that's all of my birds for today. But maybe next week, I might have more, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to set up all my Angry Birds. And then I will show you my brother, who I will call later. Anyways, my name is Nico, and then my little brother's name is Costa. So those are all my Angry Birds. Costa! And this is my brother. I got that. And now we will be shutting, but maybe, like I said, next week we might have more. Goodbye.
Say bye.
Bye.